Okay, students, let's do a second chapter in English, A Walk with Dadu. A Walk with Dadu. What is the meaning of Dadu? Do you know Dadu? Dadu means grandfather. Dadu means grandfather. I think you know grandfather. You love your grandfather. You go with your grandfather for a walk after eating. You go to the park to play with your grandparents. Okay, so a walk with a दादू. दादू मीन्स ग्रैंडफादर. अ वॉक मीन्स चलना. आप चलते हो ना आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ. सो अ वॉक विथ दादू. Do you go on a walk with your grandparents? What is the meaning of grandparents? Grandparents means your dadi and your dada, your grandfather and your grandmother. That is known as the grandparents. Or parents. Parents means your mother and your father. Your mother and your father. Those are known as the parents. What do you see? Write two things you see on a walk. While going on a walk, you see trees, birds. Okay, so that you have to write over here. First one, they have written birds. So let us write trees. You will see trees, many trees. Okay, when you go for a walk, you see many different kind of people. Okay, you see people also on the walk. So people. Now let us start with a story. There is one girl named as Dina. She is going with her dadu to a walk on a beach. Can we start our story? Let's start. Dadu walks to the beach every day. Dadu, can you see over here Dadu picture? Yes, that is Dadu, means grandfather. This grandfather goes to walk on a beach every day. So one day, I walk with him today. I walk with him today. This girl, can you see this girl over here? This girl name is Dina. What is her name? Dina. Dina and her grandfather. Dina and her grandfather went for a walk on the beach one day. Dadu points at the sky. Dadu points at the sky. Look, Dina. He says. He points at the sky. Can you see? His finger is pointing at the sky. He is showing Dina that look, Dina. Dina. He says. There are many birds in the sky. The birds fly home before it gets dark, says Dadu. Dadu is pointing at the sky and showing Dina the birds. Let's see the birds. The birds are flying at their home before it gets dark. Whenever you see in the morning at full day the birds chirp, but at the night the birds also go to their home before it gets dark. Okay, so they go to their home. So Dadu is telling Dina that look at the birds. The birds are going home before it gets dark. Dadu and I walked Dina on the soft sand. Dina is telling that Dadu and I walked on the soft sand. You go to the beach, you see the sand. That is a brown color sand. That is known as the sand. So Dadu and Dina was walking on the soft sand. We eat ice cream. We look at the sea. They ate an ice cream. Can you see? Dadu and Dina both are eating an ice cream, and they are looking at the sea. They are looking at the sea. We watch some boys play cricket. They saw some boys playing cricket. There were some boys playing at the beach of cricket. Okay, so they saw some boys playing cricket. See over here, their boys are playing cricket on the beach where you go with your parents. So you see many people doing whatever activity. So some boys are playing cricket over here. The ball falls into the sea. The ball, when they were playing cricket, the ball falls into the sea. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. A boy swims after the ball. A boy swims after the ball. He finds it and throws it back to his friend. The ball went into the beach. So there was one boy. He went into the beach and he brought the ball out. Dadu sits on the sand. Can you see Dadu is sitting on the sand? I sit on the big rock. I sit on the big rock. Dina is sitting on the rock. She's feeling that this is a rock. But this is not a rock. What is this? This is tortoise. Turtle. Yes. But Dina is thinking that this is a big black rock. Okay. Oh, the rock moves slowly. When then Dina sat on the turtle, the turtle starts moving slowly. It start moving. What is it? I am so scared. I run fast to Dadu. Dina is saying, I said it and it started moving. I was very scared. And then she went to the Dadu. She ran to the Dadu. Dina, that's not a rock. It's a turtle, says Dadu with a big smile. Dadu says, Dina, this is not a rock. It is a turtle. It is a turtle. You have sat on the turtle. The big turtle walks slowly to the sea. The big turtle, they walk towards the sea again. They are going to the sea back. Okay. Then Dadu and I walk home slowly too. Then the turtle also went back to the sea, and Dina and Dadu also went back home slowly. Did you understand the lesson? Thank you.